Hey everybody, I had to make this video. It's been 3 years I've been testing this hive, and people who know me know that sometimes good enough isn't good enough, and I love to have perfect designs. So that's, I think, what I've got here. Who knows? Anyway, I'm ready to throw a nuke in there. I wanted to show you how I got that set up. So I've got the first frame here is drawn comb on a Langstroth, and then I've got the where the four frames in the nuke are going to go. And you can see, by the way, the entrance frame on the inside for the first time. And I've got a reducer on that, my fancy entrance reducer. So there's the entrance underneath, and I've got the stick there. It's pretty fancy. And then on the other side of the nuke is going to go another Langstroth. Oh, I'll take these off and show you. This time when we're starting out here, I'm going to go to from Langstroth to a top bar right away with some drawn comb, and then right to a Langstroth again. These two have foundation in them, so in theory that top bar in the middle will be drawn perfectly straight, and they won't get any wavy comb to start out with. I'm going to see how that works. And then I've got my feeder frame over here, and I just got to dump some sugar water in there. Not much is hatched out here in terms of flowers. There's no dandelions. So I've got my feeder frame ready to go, and the insulator frame, I put some more pine in there, some pine bedding, so that's all nice. Keep them warm when it's 32 tonight. And they're ready to go. Oh, and once I get a frame that's got mostly honey on it, that'll be a honey block for the queen, and I always add to the bottom, you know, so the brood nest stays down here, and they build, it's basically like an ever-expanding hollow log. So as they need space, I add to the bottom, and the honey just naturally floats up. So once I get one frame full of honey, what I'm going to do is this year, I'm going to throw in the flow frame right away in the spring and see if they can fill that up, and we can get, you know, one frame worth of honey out of it this spring, and then let them have the rest for the winter. And that should do it. So that's the plan, and hopefully everything works out. So thanks everybody for watching, and I am going to finish off that build manual. I'm at a spot now where I can actually do that. My basement is mostly done. So thanks everybody, and hopefully, you know, we get a build manual and you guys could be building these things in the next couple of weeks.